To embroider Indian edging stitch, start with a straight stitch and take the needle back at the middle of the stitch. Now get back to the starting point and make a blanket stitch to form a triangle. Make a straight stitch to form a second triangle and get back in the middle. Finally, add a twisted chain stitch to close the figure. You can embroider Indian edging stitch as detached decorative elements, or you can embroider them between two parallel lines to create a decorative border. Here is how the back side of the stitch will look like.